This is the or sound, as in the words or, all, and your. Or. This sound is often spelled with the letters OR, as in the words for and more. But it can also be spelled with the letter A, as in the words also and talk. Like with all vowels in English, the spelling can be very inconsistent, and you'll always find alternative and unusual spellings of the vowel sounds. It's one of the most difficult things in English, but you just have to learn it. Here are some of the words that start with the or sound. Almost, although, already, and organisation. Here are some words that have the or sound in the middle. Call, water, important, and small. And here are some words with the or sound at the end. Door, shore, war, and for.